Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down again and localize the option navigation bar. And as you can see here, we've got buttons and swipe gestures. I wanted to show you that if you will decide to stick with the buttons, here you've got more options and you can reorder them and change the button position from right to the left. It's up to you whether you want to use it. To set the gestures, we have to simply tap on this animation, and instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. Here you've got more options, so we can customize the block gestures with S-Pen and change the gesture sensitivity. And I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you'll be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. So then let me go back and let me show you how to use the gestures. So if you wish to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, simply release the finger. The same situation from the left side. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.